How to use spot grid bought in Bitget 2025 full guide. Most people get this wrong by setting grids without understanding market trends. The surprising truth is that the spot grid bot can automate trading efficiently when used wisely. Start by logging into your Bitget account and navigating to the grid trading section. Choose spot grid bot and select the trading pair, like Bitget. Decide your investment amount and grid count. You won't believe how setting too few or too many grids can impact profits. Next, define the upper and lower price limits based on market analysis. The bot will buy low and sell high automatically within these limits. Enable stop loss if desired to manage risk. Review your settings and confirm activation. Monitor performance regularly. The bot generates small profits with each trade, compounding over time. Adjust grids or limits as market conditions change to optimize returns. Always start with a small investment if you're new to grid trading. In conclusion, using the spot grid bot in Bitget 2025 is effective when you set grids wisely, manage risk, and monitor market trends. Follow this approach, and automated trading can work in your favor.